Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into latex and TikZ to create a beautiful sine wave plot using PGFPLOTS. Here we use the article class and import TikZ and PGFPLOTS, which are essential for plotting graphs. The TikZ picture environment allows us to create graphics within LaTeX. Now let's set up the axis using the axis environment inside the TikZ. Axis line is equal to middle places the axis at the center. X label and Y label defines the axis labels. X minimum and X maximum set the range for the X axis, and X tick and X tick labels ensure the X axis is labeled properly. Samples is equal to 100 provides smooth curves. Domain is equal to 0 colon 2 pi defines the function range. Y stick is equal to empty. Remove the tick label for the cleaner appearance. Now added the sine function, the blue thick styling makes this graph more visible. Finally, we label the sine function at an appropriate point. To complete the document, we close all the environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what tickets or latex topics would you like to see next.